First, we need to make sure that NFC is enabled. So we're gonna go to Settings, choose Connections, and then over here we have NFC and contactless payments. We're gonna actually go into that option to not only be able to turn it on or off, but also to choose the default wallet app. And of course we use Samsung Wallet by default, so if you want to use Samsung Wallet, then of course feel free to do so. I'm gonna show you where you can find it, but in this video I'm gonna actually show how to use the Google Wallet. So I'm gonna switch to Google Wallet here, and then we can go back. Now, if you want to use Samsung Wallet, you can find it in the Samsung folder in the app screen or the app drawer. And here is the wallet. So you can open it in order to try to add your card over here. However, if you want to use Google Wallet instead for some reason, then we need to download the Google Wallet first. So let's go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for Wallet. And of course, this is the Google Wallet app that we are looking for, so we need to install it. And once it is installed, we're gonna immediately open the app. There we go. We can allow to send notifications, and then we can press Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner. Then we can press Payment Card, and you will open the rear camera. You can scan your camera. Sorry, you can scan the card by using the rear camera. You just need to line it up with the frame. However, if you have issues with getting the details of your card, then we can press Enter Details manually. You can fill everything in over here, and then if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to press Save and Continue. And then follow the additional instructions that may happen on the screen to finalize this process. And you should be able to pay with your phone. You should be able to make contactless payments. Remember that in order to pay with your phone, first you need to have NFC enabled, and second, the phone should be unlocked to be able to pay with it. And that is all. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.